Okay, today we're doing a CC-01 tabletop coin counter. When you open your coin counter out of the box, it may be presented like this. So what you would have to do is open the hopper, set these two guide rails up, okay. And this is your disc where the coins will be spinning. I'm going to turn on the machine. Okay, two things you want to point out is your thickness diameter, which is set on pennies at the time. You just rotate your knob for your denomination you're running. So it's dimes, pennies, quarters, nickels, and half dollars. So I'll put it back to pennies. And this is your diameter setting. Thickness, diameter. Also has dimes, pennies, nickels, quarters, dollars, and half dollars. So I'm going to open up this just to demonstrate if you run across a coin jam for the diameter, you can lift this up. Coins will be placed there. You can slide them out. And if you have any thickness jams or any coins jammed in this section, you'd slide this green lever out, remove this, and you can remove any coin that's jammed in this section. So replace it. I hold the lever out, put this back on top, and then I lock it. So this is a section you'd probably have to check when you have any jams. Okay, so here we have our user screen, and the item in this menu I want to show in this video is the value and piece count. So right now it's set on value. So when you see value and you scroll through your channels by pressing 0, you'll see the coin denomination. So if I scroll on pressing 0, it's on 1 cent. Hold on. The next channel is 5 cents. Next channel is for dimes. Next channel is for quarters. Next channel is for 50-cent pieces. So if I wanted to change my batching for any of these denominations, I'd press the B. So the B there is set at 1,000. If I wanted to do a roll of quarters, 50-cent pieces, or in this case, let's set up a roll of nickels, which, as you know, would take 40 nickels to make a roll. So it's set on 1,000. I'm going to press the B, put 40, press my M to save that. And now I've set up this batch at 40 pieces as opposed to 1,000. When you're doing 1,000, you're probably filling up a bag. Okay, I just hit on and off. But okay, so I mentioned earlier I want to see the menu for value and piece count. So we're going to press the 1, which represents the menu, and I'm going to press 1 to scroll down. So the count mode is value. I want to change that to piece count. So there it is, pieces. All you do is select it, press the on and off to back out, and now you see that this was value earlier, now it reads count. And when I set it on pieces or count, when you scroll here, you don't see the value. So when you're doing count, you probably just set your thickness and your diameter up, and then that'll be, if you want to count 1,000 nickels or pennies, you'd probably do that into a bag, the big coin bag.